Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to change Notion workspace name. It's very easy. First, you want to come here at the top left and click on the workspace's name or your profile icon over this arrow. Okay, click on that and you will see this options. What I need you to do is click on settings right here. Now, under Workspace, you'll see General. I want you to click on General, and we'll see the name section. So we can change this name. Let's say Answer ASAP, right? You can do other things as well, change the icon and some other things like delete the entire workspace. But what I just need you to do is click on Update. As soon as we click on Update, guys, you'll see the name will change. There we go. Our workspace name has changed, and it's really that easy and simple.